Have you ever imagined what it would be like if Jesus was a superhero? Not just any superhero, but a cosmic peacemaker, wielding unparalleled power and endless compassion. Get ready to step into the thrilling world of our newest episode of The Adventures of Galactic Jesus, titled The Cosmic Peacemaker. Buckle up, because this is like nothing you've heard before. Far beyond the reaches of our known galaxy, a universe unlike any we've imagined lies in turmoil. It's a cascading choir of chaos, stretched across distant star systems, where greed, tyranny, and despair reign supreme. But amidst this darkness, a beacon of light emerges, a hero whose essence is forged in love, compassion, and justice. Commander Jesus isn't just born, he's sent. His existence is no accident. It's a galactic design. Sent by the architect of creation, Commander Jesus is birthed among the stars with one prime directive: to restore balance, hope, and unity across civilizations fracturing under oppression. Commander Jesus isn't alone in this mission. By his side is Zara, a fiery, fearless warrior whose twin plasma blades burn with intensity, both in combat and in her relentless heartbeat for justice. Zara isn't just muscle, she's strategy, courage personified, and unshaken loyalty to the commander. Then, there's Lux, the eccentric, dazzling mind who walks the razor's edge of genius and madness, building technological marvels with a speed and dexterity that make even advanced machines seem primitive. Lux doesn't just build tools, he builds possibilities. Lastly, we meet Elysia, a serene and noble diplomat from a planet destroyed by ceaseless wars. Elysia believes in a language older than words, peace as a living entity, something woven into her very being. Zara, Lux, Elysia, they aren't sidekicks, they're warriors in their own right. Together with Commander Jesus, they forge the resistance against the Galactic Dominion, a regime whose definition of power is suffocating control over all life. But what makes this episode extraordinary isn't just the battles, though they are thrilling and heart-pounding, nor the visual splendor of distant nebulae and dazzling celestial marvels. It's not even the advanced technology or heroic luminescence of Commander Jesus's otherworldly miracles. What truly captivates is his ability to inspire unity, even among those who believed it impossible. Through this episode, you'll witness how miracles are redefined. For Jesus doesn't just heal people, he heals entire ecosystems. Imagine desolate, scorched planets blossoming into living paradises under his guidance. Picture entire fleets, formerly enemies, standing shoulder to shoulder, unified under the magnetic pull of his resolve. The Galactic Dominion, faced with this unprecedented unity, throws everything they have at Jesus and the Resistance, a relentless onslaught of warlords, war machines, and psychological warfare designed to shatter even the most determined hearts. Yet, Commander Jesus remains undeterred. His strongest weapon isn't in his space-forged armor, glowing in shades of celestial blue and deep gold. It's not in his miraculous power, though that too is formidable. No, his ultimate weapon is his heart, his indestructible compassion, and the resolute belief that every spirit, no matter how lost, can be redeemed. One revelation in this episode will leave you in awe. Amidst a climactic space battle where all hope appears lost, Commander Jesus takes a profound gamble. He steps forward, unarmed, toward a galactic destroyer ship whose captain is infamous for his cruelty. The Resistance begs him to stop, pleads with him to not throw himself into certain death. But Commander Jesus walks ahead, his helmet retracted, eyes burning with a transcendent glow. His words? Not commands, not threats, but an invitation to lay down arms for something greater than war. What unfolds next is a scene that will be etched into the hearts of all who witness it. It's a moment that proves strength lies not in destruction, but in the courage to break free from the cycle of fear and power. The story doesn't shy away from sacrifice either. The stakes are as high as the stars in the infinite cosmos. Every choice carries weight. Every sacrifice reshapes destinies. Commander Jesus teaches that while darkness seeks to divide, the act of standing together, no matter how perilous or daunting, becomes the ultimate form of rebellion. And as Zara, Lux, and Elysia face their own defining moments, their stories intertwine with Commander Jesus's in a tapestry of battles, triumphs, and heartbreaks. In this enduring fight, Commander Jesus performs wonders that inspire even his most cynical foes. He reshapes the battlefield itself, turning deserts into lush oases, healing fractured lands, and calming spiraling storms that threaten entire systems. How do you resist such power when it demands no servitude, no price, and no condition? That's the conundrum faced by even the Dominion's fiercest commanders. While this episode unfolds scenes of cosmic confrontation, its soul is rooted in the timeless themes of choice, redemption, and sacrifice. It challenges not just the characters, but the audience, to rethink what strength and victory truly mean. Through Commander Jesus, we see a leader who doesn't conquer galaxies, but awakens them. He doesn't command armies, he empowers them. He doesn't bring order through domination, he unveils harmony through liberation. As the episode comes to a close, we are left hanging on a revelation so monumental, it could turn the tide of their struggle forever. In an ancient celestial archive, Jesus and his crew unearth a coded message from the architect, which hints at a far greater destiny for the galaxy, one intertwining all its civilizations in ways no one could have imagined. But to unlock this future, sacrifices must be made, and parts of this destiny lay hidden in the least expected corners of the universe. So, are you ready to join the rebellion fueled by compassion, to watch light pierce through darkness, all set against the breathtaking scope of galaxies exploding with color and life? Don't miss this heartfelt, high-intensity adventure, the adventures of Galactic Jesus, the cosmic peacemaker. This is not just a story, it's a journey of hope, courage, and the belief that even the smallest spark of light can illuminate the farthest reaches of the cosmos. Stay tuned because the galaxy will never be the same.